On May 28, 2025, President Donald Trump commuted the federal life sentences of Larry Hoover, the 74-year-old founder of Chicago's Gangster Disciples, who was serving time for drug and extortion charges. Despite this, Hoover remains in prison due to a 200-year state sentence for a 1973 murder, unaffected by presidential clemency. His release from federal custody does not guarantee immediate freedom, as Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker holds authority over state charges. Advocates, including Ye and Drake, cited Hoover's rehabilitation efforts, like renouncing gang ties and promoting education, though specific evidence driving Trump's decision remains unclear.